What's up? This is Mike with another tip. People are constantly asking me questions about the Blink XT cameras. So they're asking me quality, what's quality like? Now, as far as I know, all the outdoor cameras get a 1080p, and when you mail it to yourself or text it to yourself, it's a pretty incredible picture. But one thing I never liked was this little setup here. Take a look. Okay, now what we have is the Blink module, which is sitting there, and I'll move that chair there, and it's just plugged into the wall. And this thing is I'm constantly wondering where to hang this, and I don't want to put double stick tape on the back, put it on the wall, because I'm not thrilled about walls. So here's what I did. I ordered this. I got it from Amazon today. It's one of the extras you can get, and if you look on Amazon, there are lots of them. There's camera shields, there's extra heavy duty mounting. They got a whole bunch of options. So this came today. It's a combination wall plug outlet. Now look at this clever thing. Let's take a look. And here it is. It's something really simple. I think it was $8. A little pricey considering it's one piece of plastic and one cord. So let me show you how this thing works. So basically, I can take the plug that came with my Blink system, and what I'll do is I'll unplug this here, and this goes right inside this slot here, probably from the back side. So we'll put it in, yep, just like that, and it gets a little tighter. As you can see, it's built so it's a little, so it gets wedged in there. And then you take the Blink module here, and here's the Blink module, and it's really kind of simple. You put it right in there, just like that. Take your old plug, take it out, and put your new one in, right? The big USB obviously goes in the top, and the little Android goes at the bottom, so you can see the bottom there. Make sure I got that turned the right way. Yep. Put it right in there, just like that. Now look at that. Watch this. This is what's really slick about this. You hang it on the bottom here, and voila. You've got your working Blink. You don't have this stupid cord, and you're all set. Now, if somebody could just invent something for my long antenna wire, I gotta hang this picture, that's why it's just still there. You'll also find accessories on Amazon's website for the Blink. They have waterproof gutter mount, where you can actually mount your camera on a gutter. They have extended wall mount brackets that are weatherproof. They got a little hood on the end of them, and of course the thing I just showed you. So take a look if you need any of those. And of course, some of those choices, they come in black, they come in white. Even the thing I bought, it can come in white also. Especially the guy with the wind question who needs some reinforcement instead of the little brackets it comes with. There's some good ones on here. They even make a gooseneck twist mount, so you can twist it around something if it's unusual. So there's a lot of choices out there. That was my tip for my Blink XT camera, and I hope you rush to Amazon. I'll put a link in the description, and you can see, you can get it. Hopefully they'll help you out. Don't forget, there's other mounting tips and tricks in the video, so please watch and subscribe if you like this one. Thanks again for watching. catch you on the next one.